Welcome to the School of National Security Studies,
the only university in India to offer a complete school-level framework dedicated to defense and security studies.
School of National Security Studies brings together three pioneering departments: Department of Security Studies, Department of Strategic Technologies, and Department of Maritime Security Studies. The school currently offers one postgraduate program and three doctoral programs, which is MA in Defense and Strategic Studies, PhD in Security Studies, PhD in Strategic Technologies and National Security, and PhD in Maritime Security. At the heart of the school is the Department of Security Studies, one of the oldest and most distinguished departments in the country.
Inside our classrooms, our discussions go beyond lectures. As student of National Security Studies, we debate on war and diplomacy. We analyze global conflicts, understand India's national security challenges, and explore the changing balance of power in the world. Our curriculum covering strategic and security studies, international relations, war and warfare, India's national security, geopolitics and military geography, and defense policy and defense economics, designed in line with the NEP 2020 and the latest UGC learning outcomes based curriculum framework. Our program is built to make students policy ready and future ready. This is not just a classroom, this is where future analysts, strategists, researchers, and security professionals begin their journey.
Today, security is not only about strategy, it is also about technology. Here at SNSS, we get access to state-of-the-art JS labs, high-performance computing systems, which allow us to map border vulnerabilities and also use open source intelligence along with artificial intelligence to solve the real-world problems. Courses like GIS, cybersecurity, Power BI, Python are offered here, and we also learn how to implement and apply it in real-world scenarios.
At our school, ideas are challenged, defended, and refined. Students are constantly engaged with policy presentations, group discussions, and simulations, which help students to develop the confidence to speak, think, and lead.
Every argument begins with better research. Our school and our library provides access to leading academic resources like JSTOR, Taylor and Francis, and Google Scholar. SMS has changed the way we think. It's not about what is happening in the world, it's about how we understand, analyze, question, and respond to it. Lastly, in the final semester, students are supplied their own thesis, which transform these research into an original article.
Our school aligns with the idea that security studies should not be confined within four walls. Here, we have been provided practical as well as theoretical aspects of the studies. Practical aspects such as industrial, academia connect, internship opportunities and field visits provide us to look at the world with the lens of security studies. Presently, our alumni are placed at institutions such as James, Pinkerton, Taj Hotel Securities, Reliance Geo Securities, as well as JP Morgan and Chase.
Students come to School of National Security Studies from different parts of India, bringing with them different cultures, experiences, and aspirations. And here at our department, students find not just a campus but a community with comfortable hostel facilities, a safe environment, close faculty mentorship, and students also have access to extracurricular activities. Each student gets the support that they need to grow academically, personally, and professionally.
At the School of National Security Studies, possibly the biggest school of this kind in India, we are committed to shaping new generation of analysts, practitioners, scholars, teachers who can contribute to our understanding of national security in different aspects. So I am hopeful that the young generation who are interested in a study of national security will find CUG as a very good place to embark on the journey of becoming practitioner, analysts, and a scholar of national security. Thank you.